Are you dealing with a smoking addiction that is consuming your life? You are not alone, so don't give up hope until discover how to quit smoking in as little as 7 days, even if you've been a chain smoker for the past 20 years, with no relapses, no extra money needed, and a 98% success rate, guaranteed. This underground system has never been released to the public, but has successfully helped hundreds of former chain smokers kick the habit. Dear hopeless and nicotine-addicted friend. If you're a smoker, this will be the most important message you'll ever read. Today you are about to discover my coveted, secret system that will allow you and your loved ones to quit smoking in as little as just 7 days from now, with no side effects, no relapses, and no expensive ongoing or long-term treatments. It is 100% money-back guaranteed in writing. How about a solution with no gums, no patches, no therapy, professional help, no MP3s, CDs, no pills, no NLP, hypnosis? Does the following scenario sound familiar? You've been a chain smoker for the past 20+ years and you've actually tried dozens of times to quit, but it's the same old vicious cycle of failure every single time. Then you honestly believe that you've finally found a cure. You get really excited in the beginning because you truly believe that you have smoked the last cigarette you'll ever smoke. But alas, after all the hype, effort, and money spent, you end up in the same position as always before, and you lose yet another morsel of hope. Eventually you give up on trying to quit altogether. Friend, I understand your frustration, and I want to help you. Rekindle your hope that you can quit smoking, once and for all. Find the way that you to stop smoking as soon as possible. Stop spending hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars on failed remedies, only to eventually relapse and go right back to where you used to be. Are you experiencing the following smoker's plagues? Uncontrollable chronic coughing? Frequent long and short-term memory loss? Sexual dysfunction, yellowing of the teeth, and chronic bad breath? This is not what life is all about. If you are a smoker who is in denial about the seriousness of your addiction or even the reality of it, and try not to think about the fact that, if you are currently smoking a couple of full packs of cigarettes per day, or just a couple of cigarettes per day, please understand. You need to quit as soon as possible. Ignoring your problem could be a fatal mistake. Big thanks to this book for helping me finally quit this evil habit. I've been trying to quit for quite a while now, after 20 years of smoking. It got to a point where it started affecting my health severely, so I started looking for ways to help me quit. I really wish to show my appreciation for this wonderful ebook as it was very eye-opening and helped me start. That was all I needed, a little push and to show me the way. I'm doing pretty well now, and I can honestly say that every day is getting a bit easier. Give this book a shot, everyone, and I hope it helps you as it did to me. Good luck. Paul Rossman. Read more reviews here. Your smoking problem is going to kill you. There are more than 100 million smoking-related deaths each year. If you're anything like most people, I'm sure that this number came as a shock to you. It does for most of us. However, I have a few more frightening statistics about smoking. Roughly 440,000 Americans die annually due to smoking-related diseases. This doesn't include those who die from fires and other smoking-related problems. Tobacco use causes the nation nearly $100 billion annually in medical expenses. The CDC estimates at least $200 billion in annual loss of productivity costs. 23% of Americans, approximately 46.2 million people, smoke cigarettes. Smokers are 14 times more likely to die of lung disease than non-smokers. Smokers have double the chances of having a heart attack than non-smokers do. 126 million plus people are put at risk for heart disease from secondhand smoke annually. Believe it or not, I could literally go on and on with these shocking and extremely frightening true statistics, but I'm sure you get the picture. If you are a chain, or even an occasional, smoker, your quality of life is going to suffer drastically. Regular smoking causes many potentially devastating, and even deadly, side effects and ailments. emphysema, kidney and liver disease, heart disease, yellow teeth and eyes, chronic bad breath, stroke, throat and lung cancer, increased risk of more addictions, high blood pressure and much more. When it comes to overcoming addictions, a very common situation often arises. Some people go into denial mode and argue that they don't have a problem and don't need anything, but the first step in overcoming anything is realizing and accepting that you do have a serious problem that needs proper attention immediately. I believe that, deep down inside, you wish you could quit smoking. You know you should. And you know you need help to permanently do so. But I must warn you. Beware of the wrong treatment programs. They can be 10 times worse than no treatment at all. Think about it. At least, if you do nothing at all about your smoking problem, you won't be creating new problems. Correct. Other companies would like for you to believe that their products work when they really don't. They also want you to believe that their products have no negative side effects, but they really have many. Do you understand my point here? In the end, using the wrong method to quit smoking will not only lessen your quality of life even more, but worse still, it will get you yet one step closer to the grave, even as you waste hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars and suffer many new and serious health problems. Mike Avery here, and I have the perfect solution to your smoking addiction. What if you could literally kick your smoking habit once and for all in as little as just days from now, without spending extra money, without willpower, and without any chances of failure whatsoever? Picture how great you'll feel after regaining control of your life by being able to live the normal, healthy, and smoke-free lifestyle that you've been wanting to return to for so long. Wouldn't this be a picture-perfect scenario? Well, guess what? This can be your reality, because I have a quit smoking method that will allow you to do this in record time. Introducing Quit Smoking Magic. Quit Smoking Magic is the first and only program of its type that literally force you to easily kick the habit in just days, even if you have a shoestring budget and absolutely no willpower. As a former chain smoker for many years, myself, I have tried virtually everything on the market to quit smoking, with no real success. A few times, I actually quit for a few weeks, and even a few months, but in the end I always relapsed. This is what led me to begin researching and thoroughly studying methods for quitting smoking. After many months of trial and error testing, along with much frustration and money spent, I finally figured it out. The name of the program was to be called Quit Smoking Magic, and I've used this program to help hundreds of people quit the habit, including family members, coworkers, friends, and associates. Quit Smoking Magic is for you if you've tried everything else that you can think of. You've realized that you are finally ready to kick the habit. You've just started or even been smoking for 20+ years. You've decided that you would like to start saving money. You've got absolutely no willpower whatsoever. You've lost all hope of ever quitting smoking for good. To date, I've never had an unsuccessful case. So how am I qualified to help you? This is a good question with a very simple and honest answer. The bottom line is that I'm a very experienced individual on this subject who understands your problem 100%. Just Google me. But here are a few reasons why I am qualified to help you. I'm an ex-smoker, 20-year habit. I'm someone who has thoroughly researched and tested this subject. I'm a test subject who's tried nearly everything you can think of. I'm someone who's successfully helped hundreds of people to quit. I'm someone who has never failed with this program. I'm sympathetic because I've been in your shoes. Rather than listening to doctors who solely base their treatment programs on testing and research, why not learn from someone who has been in your shoes, done the research, and been cured, such as myself? Since this is absolutely something that you need right now, I've priced Quit Smoking Magic to sell like hotcakes, and I'm so sure that it will work for you, just as it has for everyone else, that I back up all my claims with a money-back guarantee in writing. Quit Smoking Magic is literally the last program you will ever need. Unlike many other programs, the Quit Smoking Magic program will work for you. And this program offers many exclusive benefits and features that no other program can. Allow me to name a few of the benefits. Helps you to successfully quit smoking in as little as just days. It's as easy as taking candy from a sleeping baby. This system takes just minutes to administer. This system can be done on a shoestring budget. Absolutely no chance of any negative side effects. Works for almost everyone. 98% success rate thus far. You will never relapse with this program. There's no willpower necessary with Quit Smoking Magic. Powerful concept based on real-life experiences rather than just theories. 3 free complimentary bonuses. 60-day unconditional money-back guarantee. But that's not all. There's much more to this system, so just keep reading. Quit Smoking Magic teaches you how to quit smoking cigarettes super fast. How to stop your cravings dead in their tracks. How to never relapse with this nasty habit. How to avoid spending a ton of money in your quest for quitting. How to quit smoking now rather than later. How to automatically kick this habit even without willpower. How to keep from having withdrawal symptoms and nasty mood swings. How to refrain from having insomnia after quitting. How to avoid restlessness as well as changes in appetite. This guide is very short, concise, and to the point. I literally left no question unanswered when it comes to quitting smoking. Smoking solution. Solution details, ebooks, guides. They provide you with the same useless, recycled, and ineffective tactics that didn't work years ago and definitely don't work now. The majority of these methods have no documented proof that they've ever worked for anyone. $50 to $297. Therapists and private coaches. Don't waste your time with these people. The bottom line is that they are much too expensive, and statistically they provide less than a 20% success rate through their so-called coaching programs. My offer is simple. I'm offering you the opportunity to quit smoking today with no effort. Allow me to go into details on this remarkable offer that you honestly can't pass up if you are truly looking to quit smoking. When you order your instantly downloadable copy of Quit Smoking Magic today, you will not only be getting the world's #1 resource for quitting smoking, but you will also get 3 incredible bonuses. Order Quit Smoking Magic today for this amazing opportunity. Quit Smoking Magic. The world's most powerful and comprehensive ebook program on the subject of quitting smoking. Bonus 1: How to whiten your teeth. Discover how to quickly, easily, and naturally whiten your teeth from the comfort of your own home. Bonus 2: End bad breath. Put an end to your chronic bad breath today, even if you've seen doctors and feel as though there's no solution. Bonus 3: How to clean your lungs. Thoroughly clean your lungs from the comfort of your own home without any costly doctor visits. Try it 100% risk-free for 8 full weeks. Don't decide now. Use Quit Smoking Magic for 60 days risk-free. I know you'll be able to use the methods you learn in my course to finally quit smoking in as little as 7 days, no matter who you are, but I want you to be just as confident as I am about this. This is why I'm offering you a 60-day, no-risk guarantee, so you can read the course and see the value for yourself. Try the course, and if you're not satisfied for any reason, just reply to the receipt email with the word cancel within 60 days and you will receive a full refund. There will be no questions asked and no hard feelings. Federal warning. No scammers allowed. We are very familiar with the fraudulent tactics that many dishonest buyers use to steal digital products and gain access to elite programs like ours. Anyone found guilty of any fraudulent buyer activity will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. They could face fines of up to $100,000 and up to 10 years in prison. Stop thinking and get on the road to rapid addiction recovery today. Yes, Mike. I want to quit smoking in as little as 7 days right now. I'm ready to use Quit Smoking Magic to finally stop poisoning my body with these deadly, highly addictive cancer sticks that they call cigarettes. I want to quit smoking with no relapses in as little as just 7 days from now. I desire to live a smoke-free life in which my lungs are pink and healthy rather than black and ruined. I want to have great, fresh-smelling breath and pearly white teeth again. I would like to learn the only method for quitting smoking without any side effects. You could be just minutes away from a smoking-related heart attack. As long as you continue to be a chain smoker, your days on Earth may literally be numbered. I don't say this to frighten you, but I say it to warn you of what could soon happen to you. Every puff you draw can take time off of your life, and you don't know how many puffs your body can handle. It could be 1,000, 100, or even one more puff. Grab your copy of Quit Smoking Magic right now at this highly discounted price. 100% money back guaranteed. Remember, you can grab your discounted copy of Quit Smoking Magic and your free bonuses instantly. The download is at your fingertips. I urge you to immediately stop procrastinating, and jump on the road to recovery from this addiction, by clicking here to secure your copy of Quit Smoking Magic now. You hold the key to your own future in your hands. You can choose a future that ends in a smoking-related death, or make the wise decision to start the Quit Smoking Magic program now. Which will it be?